First reading, Philippians chapter 2 verse 1 to 4. So, if in Christ there is anything that will move you, any incentive in love, any fellowship in the Spirit, any warmth or sympathy, I appeal to you, make my joy complete by being of a single mind, one in love, one in heart and one in mind. Nothing is to be done out of jealousy or vanity. Instead, out of humility of mind everyone should give preference to others, everyone pursuing not selfish interests, but those of others. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 131 verse 1, 2, 3. Song of Ascents. Yahweh, my heart is not haughty, I do not set my sights too high. I have taken no part in great affairs, in wonders beyond my scope. No, I hold myself in quiet and silence, like a little child in its mother's arms, like a little child, so I keep myself. Let Israel hope in Yahweh henceforth and forever. Gospel, Luke chapter 14 verse 12 to 14. Then he said to his host, when you give a lunch or a dinner, do not invite your friends or your brothers or your relations or rich neighbors, in case they invite you back and so repay you. No, when you have a party, invite the poor, the crippled, the lame, the blind, then you will be blessed, for they have no means to repay you, and so you will be repaid when the upright rise again.